Warmly welcome everyone to the Quick Tips in Microsoft Business Application series. Episode 9, Teams Bot for Customer Insights.
I've got an amazing guest, Mano, joining with me today for Quick Tips in Microsoft Business Applications episode to share a quick sneak peek into new feature, Teams Bot for Customer Insight. And she's an avid blogger and a Power Platform enthusiast, speaker, and a community contributor. I will hand it over to Mano to introduce herself to the audience and to show us an amazing demo that she has prepared for us. Over to you, Mano.
Hey Kazun, hi, hello everyone. It feels really great to be here with Kazun today, and thanks Kazun for the invite and the opportunity to speak at QTBA show. Let's kickstart now. Okay. Well, so TeamsBot is a pretty cool new feature, and I'm gonna just give you a quick demo of how to configure this and what's required, the prerequisites, and we'll see I will have a sneak peek into the features as well. And a bit about myself, I'm Manonmani VS. I'm a senior consultant at Ernst & Young. I'm a part of the technology consulting practice. My main focus is on Dynamics 365 and recently into Power Platform, and I'm gaining a bit on AI as well. I see myself as a blogger and speaker and community contributor. Okay, well, that's pretty much about me. And the Teams bot for customer insights allows you to establish a connection between your customer insights instance and the Microsoft Teams channels. And with this, you can look up to your unified customer profiles from within your Teams channel itself. So all it does is, as you see here in this screenshot, it will give you the customer data with some 15 attributes on a card. It also supports multiple customer insights instances. Before we start setting up configuring this, let's have a quick look at the prerequisites. So the first thing is you should have at least a single data source inserted into your customer insights instance, and that's the data ingestion process. Followed by that, you have to do the data unification, which is the map, match, and merge. So you'll be doing this in the customer insights instance, and you need to add some fields to the search and filter criteria, because the reason why we do this is you're gonna index your customer profiles when it's unified, so that when you search from the external source, it's gonna give the result based on the search query. So that's the reason why we need to do indexing. And most importantly, the customer insights and the teams should be within the same organization. Well, so this is the customer insights instance of mine, and let's see if we have it all set ready for us to configure the teams. So first thing is we need to have the data sources in here. Yes, let me go into data source and make sure we have the data here. It's all done, ingested, and the unification process is done. I have set up the match order and I have done the merge as well. And as a result of this unification, I have the unified customer profiles. Yes, so I have 5,357 customers. They are the unified profiles from multiple data sources that we saw earlier. So for example, let me search for Nancy Simon today, and I'll be getting one profile here, and I'll show you later to view this same profile from within your teams. For the configuration part, I have recorded a demo here for you to make it faster. Okay, so on your instance, just go to the admin and navigate to the export destinations, and you scroll down, you will see that Microsoft Teams customer profile add-in. Just click setup. So once you're here, you just start downloading and it will automatically take you to the App Store. You can just download it, and this card allows you to establish a connection between your Teams bot and the Dynamics 365 customer insights. And remember, you have to make sure that you're using the same organization for the customer insights and your teams as well. It's now taking you to the teams in the same organization. If you see, you will have the bot within your team itself, It's pretty cool, right? Okay, so it gives you a welcome message, and these are the few search terms it's suggesting, like what you can do with this bot. So as I told you earlier, you will be like searching for customer profiles from within the teams itself, and with this with some keywords, like you could just pass a name or a contact number or city or whatever you have configured in your search criteria earlier. I have searched for Simon, and it's gonna uh, okay, it's gonna ask me to log in. Yeah, so that's one important thing here, because you will be like going with sessions, right, in your bot. So your bot will ask you to log in first, and you will also have an option to log out. So once you log in, you will be able to access the data from your customer insights. Now I'm going to do the same search. It's going to pull me the customer data, customer profiles that has this particular name. Wow. So I see around 6 customers with the name Simon. If I click on one of this profile, I will be able to see the details of that particular customer as in the unified customer profile. So note that this is a unified customer profile which brings in data from multiple data sources that's already unified and it's residing on your customer insights instance. See, for example, you will see the e-commerce and you will see the loyalty customer data. That's all my data sources here.
This is super cool, right?
Yeah,
really
absolutely,
nice.
Kasun.
New feature, yeah.
Yeah. And so if you want to be very specific on what record you want, then you have to put it in a double quotes, and it will just return you one single profile, and that's the magic here.
Yeah, that's great.
Yep, see, it's not returning you multiple, it's just giving you a single result. You can also have an option to switch between multiple instances. As I told you earlier, this Teams will let you connect multiple instances of customer insight. So if I say switch instance, it's going to give me the list of instances that I have access to within the same organization. But in this case, I only have one configured for this demo. So it's just showing one.
Yeah.
And you can also click help. It will give you like suggestions like what you can do with this bot.
So it has like pre-configured
Yes, exactly. Yes, and the cool thing is the login, logout is also a command from here. You can just type login, you will be able to start a session. And this feature is in preview now. It's not in general availability. You can just start trying out this. It's really cool.
Really cool. It's really cool. Yeah.
Okay, Kasun, I think I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna access my Teams now.
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay, so from within Teams, I'm going to open the chat. This is like if I click on the 3 dots here, this is my customer insights bot. And if you notice, the session is not ended. I started it earlier. It's still not completed. I'm going to just search for customers staying in US. It's gonna pull me a huge amount of data with pagination, and it will show 10 records per page. And if I see 5,000 over records, it's like pretty fast, it loads, right? And if you load more, it will go to the next page. You can just go on. So it's not just name, it depends on whatever. It's not just name, it depends on whatever attributes you're trying to query and whatever you have set it in the customer insight search criteria. I will show you now how this works. Like, let me go into my CI instance here. Under customers, if I go to the search and filter index, you will notice that I have added some attributes as a index for the search. So this is what I'll be like typing in. So whatever I type in, like date of birth or country, you just saw, right? I typed USA and it just pulled me the records for customers from the US region, or email or full name. All this, whatever is configured here, will be used for your search from not only from Teams, from any external systems for the customer insight. That's pretty much I wanted to show today. And here's my contact details. If you would like to be in touch with me, you can just take a look at my blog. I'm writing about Dynamics 365, Power Platform, Azure, and related stuff. You can connect me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Yep. So thanks, Kazoon. It was a great opportunity for me to be here today.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mano. And thanks for joining with me on this episode. And stay tuned for more episodes coming up. And thanks for watching this episode. And see you guys in the next episode then.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Kazoon. Bye.
Thank you.